Hello friends, welcome back. It is March 14th. Yes, March 14th today, and it is about to turn 7 o'clock right now, and the daylight savings have started, which means the spring is coming up. But I have lost 1 hour of sleep last night, right? So that's not good. But let's get started with the day. I have to show you a few things as well because it's been a while, right, that we have met. So let's get started with the morning. So the first thing that I do in the morning these days is to set the curd for the evening. So how I do is that I keep it in the oven. As you know, I warm it up and then keep it, and by the evening it gets ready. So early in the morning I'll do that. I'm also drinking some tea here, which is not the regular tea, the fennel tea. And I feel so good these days after drinking that. So try out if you haven't. Just warm up the water, boil the water, and add 1 tablespoon of fennel seeds to that. Let it boil, let it steep for 5 to 10 minutes. Close the lid so that the water doesn't evaporate off, and drink it warm. So that feels so good, and it's very beneficial for your health. So that's what I'm doing. How I set the curd is a little different, which I will show you. So I got some spoons last week from Amazon. It turned out to be so huge. I don't know, we have been missing spoons these days. I don't know where it's getting lost, but we seem to be having very fewer spoons. So I got it, but look at that, it's so huge. Anyway, let this steep for some time. Okay, now for the curd, I'm setting it up by adding a few raisins to the warm milk and setting it up as usual. We would have heard so many benefits already. Otherwise, you can check it up, Google it up, and see the benefits that you can have by adding raisins to warm milk. You get the prebiotics and probiotics all together with that. When you combine certain foods, there are so many benefits. So this is one among that. So definitely try that out if you haven't. And if you are doing it already, keep going. So look at that fennel seed right here. Do give this a try as well. So this point of time I like to do some exercise in, because there's no need to prepare breakfast so early and keep, right? It's Sunday. I know it's only this much in this, but that should be sufficient. I will fill it up with water, regular water, after this, and drink it. But before going for a little run downstairs, I'm going to be eating some papaya. I have to chop it up. It's extremely ripe here. Okay, do you guys remember this bonsai plant that I got a few months back actually? I don't know whether I exactly showed you, but you would have seen it in videos because it's been here on the countertop since a long time. But this is a palm tree, and it's so easy to, take care. Just needs water a few times, and it doesn't need direct sunlight, which is good for the winter months. And it stays good, like the greenery stays forever. And I love it to have this on my countertop. Okay. Okay, many of you asked me where this cutting board is from. It's from Costco. It came as a set of 2. Okay, papaya. Whenever I see papaya, I remember one of my friends. So she, her goal was to lose weight, and she started having papaya for breakfast. Only papaya for breakfast. But she used to have like one small papaya, one full papaya. I think it should be small. You can't afford to eat so much. But she lost so much weight, and it was so noticeable. Like everyone could see that she lost, and then she used to believe that it was papaya that helped her, because she used to have only one bowl of papaya. Whenever I ask what was your breakfast, she used to say papaya. When I studied food science in school, like in college, we learned about food adulteration, like what could be added to certain foods, which you're not supposed to add. So in that, these papaya seeds were there as a part of black pepper adulteration. It looks like black pepper, right? But strain it and use it if you don't like these things coming in between. But I hope you try this. so nice, beautiful climate right now. The kids will come a little later in the morning and we'll just open up and kids will say it's vitamin D time, because there's just a little window of time to get that sunlight inside everyone. Only at this point of time you can hear those little chirping of birds. So nice. Okay, that's enough for me. I'll just start with some exercise downstairs and then I'll come back and finish the bowl and then I'll meet you. Okay, I'm done with running for 20 minutes. Still everybody is sleeping. Everyone's routine is messed up. So anyway, it's a weekend, so it's fine. Everyone can get adjusted by tomorrow. But that's good. That always it comes on a weekend. Because at 1 hour of time, we'll think that it's not a big deal. But at the end of the day, yes, it is. Like, for the first 2 days, we feel that. You get hungrier sooner or later, you know, for lunch, dinner and all those things. Oh my god, it feels so good. It feels so good. Though I cannot see you right now. Yeah, now I can. It's so bright. I hope you're all getting your sunlight, because it's very hard to get that, and since we are not going outside these days, it's very easy for someone to be deficient in vitamin D. So I hope you get your daily dose. New pan, finally. I love these granite stoneware pans. You know, I already have one, right? But it's getting old. It's been used so much that I needed another one. So I got one in cream color. So I prepare the same like the rice flake upma. Same way with onions, peanuts, potatoes, cashews, and what else? Lemon juice. Yeah, that's it. Okay, I'll meet you all later. I'm gonna be talking to my mama. Okay, as you have seen, breakfast is ready and still everyone is asleep. So I'm going to just straighten up the house, clean the house. I wanted to show you this vacuum that was sent to me. The best thing is that it is very lightweight. I love using this. Even the kids use this. And one thing that I love about this is that it is cordless and it can be used on the hardwood floor as well as the carpet. So this can be used the rug that we have in the living area. Usually for the rug, I use a vacuum upstairs. I have to take it all the way down. It's very heavy, the one that I have upstairs. So since that area is carpeted, I keep the vacuum there. Or else I have to use a small one that I have for the car. But this one is very user friendly. The brush can be changed for hardwood floor. You just need to just take off the brush and insert the other one for the carpet. So this one currently that I have is for the hardwood floor, and it can be used for anything, like any food matter. Sometimes the kids spill in all the rice downstairs when they sit there and have, so this cleans it up very easy. So if you want to check this out, I will leave that link in the description box below. You're free to check it out. And let's start cleaning. I just love this color, my favorite color, purple. Another place that I love to use a vacuum is under the couch, because the rug here sheds a little bit and all those little woolen things go underneath, and the dust that collects underneath, it's very easy to reach it because it can easily slide. Getting your exercise done using the vacuum is also a great way to stay active if you are in a time crunch. So at least half an hour of vacuuming gets the house clean, as well as do some exercise along the way, like do some lunges. So do try vacuuming and exercising at the same time, and if you have a lightweight vacuum cleaner like this, it'll be better, and a cordless one. Really try this. Next time you can definitely feel that in your legs, and the house gets cleaner.
So this is the carpet mode they have to change. So I'm going to change it for you so we can do it on the carpet. So first see this red switch, pull it like that. Then at the side, pull it like that. And then you get that off, and there you go. And when you're putting this, it's kind of like the opposite. You put it like this, and then make sure that it's very tight like this. And then you have to lower this down, and there you go.
Thank you, thank you. So would you like to do the vacuuming of the carpet?
Yep. So this purple button, that's what you have to do to make it go. You want to clean it? Yes, yes, yes. Here. Yummy, yummy milk.
Thank you, Adi.
Oh, that's a nice shirt.
Oh, thank you.
Oh, it's a lot of boosts. Boosts.
Okay, so breakfast is done. Kids are just upstairs cleaning their rooms and all, and I'm getting started with lunch. So most of you tell that in my videos sometimes it's difficult to get the recipes easily, so that's why I'm sharing one recipe at a time, so that I can put that in the title and it will be easier to get it when you need it. So I'm preparing one with couscous today. So look at this that I got from the store. It's so colorful. And for this 1 cup of couscous, you need 1 cup of water. Boil it, add salt and cook it. It gets cooked very fast, faster than quinoa. You can prepare this in advance and keep it in the fridge if you want, and use it whenever required. At the same time, I'm going to use the air fryer preheated to 390 degrees. 5 minutes, and I have some boiled chana here, boiled chickpeas, which we will roast. Add in salt, add in some cilantro. If you want to add some chili powder, you can add, or some chili flakes. Then add a little bit of olive oil. Stir it. 12 minutes and 390. Couscous has cooked and nicely puffed up. And for the vegetables, I have some chopped up parsley, some raw mango, tomato, and some cucumber pieces. And the chickpeas are nice and roasted. They are crunchy. I love doing this in the air fryer compared to the oven. It's very nice and yummy. Drizzle a little bit of olive oil, and if you want to add vinegar, you can add. Do try this out, guys. If you love quinoa, then you will love this couscous better than that. The flavor is so good, and combined with all these things, the kids love it, and it's a family friendly meal with all the goodness, the proteins, vegetables, everything in there. Okay friends, so I'm having an earlier lunch because I'm feeling very hungry. Do try this out and let me know how you enjoy it, and I will see you all in my next one. Take care. Bye.